This is Nabila with Creator LMS, and in my last video I've shown you how you can create the course outlines using AI, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can utilize AI to create the content inside of your courses and also how you can generate images. So let's get started. To do that, first you have to go to the courses section. Now this is the course that I have created before using AI. Now, this was the outline. Now, I'm going to show you how you can generate the images with AI. Now, if you click on this option here, you can ask AI to generate exactly a specific cover image for your course. So let's say I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to ask AI to generate I want it to be a bit futuristic. And let's see what it gives me. Now these are the images that it is suggesting me. So let's say I want to use this. So this is how it works. You can also always delete this and regenerate. So I'm not going to do that now. I just wanted to show you how it works. Now, let's say I want to generate an AI photo for this. You can also do that, or you can just go ahead and write the lesson. So this is about setting up the environment for Python. So let's say I want to generate this content with AI. So let's write the prompt. You can also add prompt examples, use that. All right, so write a lesson about global warming. So when I do this, write a lesson about setting up the environment for Python. So I'm going to do that, and then let's click on generate, and it's going to generate a lesson for me. Let's see how it works. So this is a detailed explanation that it gave me. You can always regenerate. I'm just going to go ahead and accept the response. Now, if you want to add section by section, you can do that with AI. Here you can add more sections here as you want. You can also generate the cover image. You can also add images inside of the lessons here with generating with AI. Now you can do everything here very easily. The AI is straightforward. And I just wanted to show you another thing, that is, if you want to use your own model here, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and publish and update this. For that, you have to go to the add-ons page. Now you can see the AI suite has already been enabled as I'm using it. You can go ahead and click on manage. Now, if you don't want to use the self-hosted AI model, since it's limited a bit, you can disable this. Then you can select a specific platform. Now, currently we have options to integrate with OpenAI and Anthropic. So you can choose your preferred model. You can add your API key here. Then you add the temperature, add your image model. You can use DALL-E 2, 3, 3.5, 01 image, whichever you call it. Then you have the max token per request and image count per request. Now you can use whichever model you want. If you change it to Anthropic, you can see the model changes. If you add your API key and save this, your model will be enabled, and you can use that model to generate how much content as you want. So that's about it today, and I'll see you in my next video with a new topic. Until then, take care.